Hi, so welcome to Real Beer Revolution. We're back at Drifter, tasting the Grainfather brewed stranded coconut. So I've got the Grainfather one.
Yeah, and I've got our original.
So yeah, let's give it a try.
Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers. Well, it's very coconutty. Loads of fresh coconut on the nose, and really coming through.
Now let's swap. Cheers.
Cheers again. Yeah, but the original's also got lots of coconut on this.
A little bit more sweetness on yours. I think that probably has to do with the 6% and a bit ABV.
Yeah, it finished a little bit higher as well, right?
Yeah.
Higher. Pretty much.
A member of our staff who will go unnamed didn't quite weigh the grain correctly.
So we ended up with quite a big grain bill of the day, but it's cool. We got a nice 6% beer rather than 4.5%.
I think there's some more coconut coming through on yours than there is on ours even.
I think the coconut definitely comes through a little bit more, maybe the small batch.
Yeah, and the freshness. I think this batch is considerably fresher than ours. A little bit darker on the colour too.
Yeah, probably from the extra grain, right?
Yeah, a little bit of extra malt in there.
Yeah.
But yeah, overall pretty close to the original and a super tasty beer.
A pretty accurate clone considering the difference in ABV.
Yeah,
Taste-wise,
absolutely.
Really awesome. Let's find out what everyone else thinks. Cheers.
Cheers, Mike. Well done.
So we're with Cliss from Drifter. Tasting, which one are you tasting there? Do you know which one it is?
Yeah. This one is coconut. This one is our stranded coconut from the Drifter.
That's right. Yeah. A little bit lighter, eh?
Yeah, even the color. See?
Were you the one that weighed my grains out?
No, it's memory. The one who weighs grains out. Yeah, it's this one.
Memory weighed the grains out. Are you to blame?
Yeah. So, but it's just good.
So we ended up with a much nicer, stronger beer. Thanks to memory.
Yeah, I like it.
It's good. It's that little bit of extra alcohol, but the coconut seems to come through a bit more because of the small batch, maybe a bit fresher.
Yeah, but it's nice, like for the first time to brew the coconut.
Yes.
Next time it's gonna be like extra 100% perfect.
Awesome. Cheers. Now.
Thanks.
So we're with Murray from Barley and Hops, tasting the two stranded coconuts. You don't even know which one is which, do you?
I don't really. I think I know.
Try this one first.
I think I know.
Yeah.
But just looking at them.
Go for it.
It's a lot of pressure right now.
Murray's a full BJCP qualified judge. No, he's the making it.
It's the other two Murrays. I'm the only Murray that actually hasn't got the qualification yet.
So that was the original.
Okay, I figured that was the original, just because that is darker.
Yep. Hey, you get a lot of fresh coconut, right? I get a lot of
Syrupy.
Yeah.
Much sweeter.
It is sweet. Yeah. It also finished slightly higher.
I also, if you hadn't told me this was stronger, I probably wouldn't have actually known that it was 6%. I'd have probably clubbed 3 of these and be crawling home.
That's great.
I might just do that.
Cheers, Murray. Thanks a lot for coming out. Cheers. Cheers, guys. So we're here at Drifter with Greg from Beer Country, tasting the two stranded coconuts. Do you know which one is which? That's the question.
I would no, I actually don't. No. I have no idea which one.
Let's get some honest feedback then from.
I haven't even had the beer.
You need to have a beer.
I know,
you can talk properly. I noticed in your show that you're always drunk and then you can talk perfectly.
No, what happens with Carl, he finds his personality at the bottom of his second beer. So like you've got to get up and running quickly. Cheers, Carl. Listen, try to take a guess between these two. The slightly lighter one, I think is the Drifter. This one's definitely got a little bit more meat and
it's a 6%,
and that would be why.
It's a 4.5. Yeah,
that would be why. Either way, makes me want to line a hammock, listen to reggae
in the rain.
and this reggae.
Awesome.
Cheers, guys.
Cheers. Cheers.